Here's your reminder that a lot of people are sitting on generational wealth and don't even know it. They're not using it to the best advantage of their situation. So, saying this to remind you guys that if anyone in your family owns property, that is generational wealth. 10 to 1, if they've owned it for at least 3 years, they've got equity in it that they could now use to invest in other things. So there's no reason for anyone who owns property to be pinching pennies. You should be in a strong wealth growth situation. If you want to talk more about that, drop me a line below. Anybody in retirement age, there's no reason to be living on a fixed income if you own your house. It's all about having a trusted guide to show you how to maximize the potential of your property without jeopardizing it. You want to be able to bring in some income. And no, it's not a reverse mortgage. I don't support that. This is about wealth growth. This is about generational wealth. Continuing from what you have, because your home, you already started the process. You've already got generational wealth. Let's keep building it. Peace.